Hi guys, welcome to MagniQ Software. So today I am going to explain about the demonstration of software testing. Okay. So what is a software testing? Software testing is nothing but a one of the sector in IT, and it is followed by quality sector. And here we are finding the defects and producing the quality. Okay. And basically why we are doing the software testing in IT? So we have a three major things, like one is a to find defects, and second one to produce quality, and third one to reduce failure. Okay, so these are the main principles we are doing this software testing. So why we need to find defects, why we need to produce quality, why we need to reduce failure? So why? Because customer or we can say he is a end user. So customer or end user or client, why they are using our application? For quality application only they will use. How we can say quality means, if the expectations are matching to the reality is also known as actual. When quality, simply say, when expectation matching to the actual, then only customer can purchase that particular product or software application. Now, so to produce this expectation matching to the actual, we need to find a defects. To produce this formula, we are going to finding the defects. Okay, so for this quality purpose we are doing testing. Okay, how we are doing this testing means, simply we can say, here I am saying a two environments. One is a development environment, second one is a market environment. Guys, let us see, in market, if the expectation was not matching to the actual, we can say it is a failure. In development environment, if expectation not matching to the actual, we can say it is a defect. Basically it was found by a tester. Okay, so if the tester was finding this type of formula in a development process, we can say it is a defect. So guys, you can see, in development environment we can say it is a two-tier communication. Two-tier communication means nothing but here, if the tester find any defects, he can send to the developer. Developer can fix the defect and again send to the tester. Now we can say, if the tester can send this type of condition, then developer can fix it as a this type of condition. Now here only we are fixed the defect. So why we need to reduce this failure? So because guys, it is a entire communication. Two-tier communication means here two peoples will involve. So that's why we are saying it is a defect. If the tester can find any defect, developer can fix the defect. But coming to the market user, if any failure will be occur in a market user going to bad publicity, it will follow the highly cost. So based on this failure, so many people they can't use the application. So that's why we need to reduce here. So to produce the quality, we are finding the defects. So software testing definition is, with the intention of finding the defects, we are producing the quality, and to reduce the failure cost is known as software testing. Okay, so these are the two environments we are following the testing. Now coming to here, software testing follows how many types, how many ways we can do software testing. Generally software testing we can do, one is a manual approach, second one is a automation approach. One is a manual approach and second one is a automation approach. Now what is this manual? What is meant by this manual approach and what is meant by this automation approach? Simply we can say manual testing followed by human approach. Testing followed by human approach. And automation is nothing but a testing followed by system approach. Here another point is no programming language and without using tools. In manual approach, we don't require any programming language, we don't require any separate software testing tools. So easily we can do any person, like if there is a non-IT person, so he don't know any programming language, he don't know any code, that person also ready to do this manual testing. And here manual testing, coming to the database testing, they require some SQL queries. And coming to the automation, simply we can say here with programming language and with using tools. So generally present days we are using a Selenium tool, and programming language purpose we are using a core Java. Okay, so not only Java, you can use Python, .NET or C# or .NET, whatever it is, but like present situation most of the people are using this Java. Now so this is the throughout demonstration of software testing. So it is the why we are doing software testing and how many approach we are doing software testing. Now final one, which type of roles software tester can get. So present days basically software testing was followed by a QA and QC, quality assurance and quality control, and QE, quality engineer. Okay, if the person was active in each and every phase of the IT department, that person is known as QA. Which person was only involved in the only software testing process, that person is known as QC. Quality engineer in a sense, which person was following automation testing, that person is known as QE. And SDET, and this SDET is software development engineering testing. Now, so what is meant by this SDET? So SDET is one of the most responsible role, and the package is also highly defined. So if whatever it is you are joined in the industry, you need to call it as a SDET. So it is a development engineering testing. So he can do the manual testing, he can do the framework initialization, and he can develop from the scratch highly. So it requires more knowledge. So basically it was followed by 4 to 5 years of experience person. So coming to the SDET, we need to know the small difference between SDE and SDET. SDE means nothing but a software. SDE nothing but a software development engineer. And SDET nothing but a software development engineer in testing. So it is coming under a full stack developer, it is coming under both development and testing. So this is the difference. Okay guys, so this is about the throughout software testing introduction. Thank you for watching.